In approximately 5 minutes, a technique for manifestation will be revealed. This method has been highly regarded on my channel, and I'm thrilled to share it with you. Greetings and a warm welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will present an effective and simple manifestation technique. If you're interested, continue watching as I have an impactful exercise to share. Manifestation is a potent tool that aligns thoughts and emotions with desired outcomes, enabling individuals to create the life they seek. However, many perceive manifestation as time-consuming and arduous. What if I informed you that you could utilize a manifestation technique requiring only 5 minutes each day? Surprisingly, it actually takes less than 3 minutes. Yes, you heard correctly, just 3 minutes. This technique is known as the 3-into-3 manifestation technique. Before delving into the process of this technique, let's explore why it stands out among the best manifestation techniques available and how it operates. Firstly, this technique is remarkably effective since it aligns the subconscious mind with conscious desires. Our subconscious mind accounts for 95% of our thoughts and actions, making it crucial to program it with positive beliefs and affirmations. The 3-into-3 manifestation technique achieves precisely that within a mere 3 minutes per day. The reticular activating system, RAS, is a brain component that acts as a filter, sorting through the extensive information our brains receive and selecting what is relevant to our goals and desires. In other words, the RAS helps focus our attention on what truly matters to us. When utilizing the 3-into-3 manifestation technique, we essentially program our RAS to concentrate on our desired manifestations. We communicate to our brains that these desires hold importance, prompting us to pay attention to them. Consequently, our brains begin seeking opportunities to bring these desires into our lives. This occurs because our brains are wired to search for evidence that supports our beliefs and desires. By focusing on our desired manifestations, our brains start noticing more aligned opportunities and possibilities. Essentially, the 3-into-3 manifestation technique primes our brains to seek evidence that substantiates our desires, ultimately helping bring them into reality. Now, why should you employ this technique? The answer is simple. If you aspire to create a life brimming with abundance and happiness, you must commence by transforming your thoughts and beliefs. By utilizing the 3-into-3 manifestation technique for just 3 minutes each day, you can accomplish precisely that. However, there's a catch. Since everyone is unique, what works for one person might not work for another. That's why I will guide you in customizing this technique according to your preferences, ensuring it works optimally for you. For instance, some individuals may find it easier to focus on the physical manifestations of their desires rather than the associated emotions. If that resonates with you, feel free to modify the technique accordingly. Ultimately, the key to success with this technique lies in consistency and dedication. By practicing it daily, you will begin noticing subtle shifts in your thoughts and emotions, ultimately attracting the life of your dreams. Are you ready to learn how to use the 3-into-3 manifestation technique? Let's delve into the process now. Step 1 involves identifying 3 manifestations you desire. These can encompass anything, regardless of size, as long as they truly reflect your desires. Write them down or type them on your phone, but don't stop there. Vocalize your desires with conviction. By speaking your desires aloud, you send a powerful message to the universe, indicating your seriousness about manifesting them. Take a deep breath and confidently proclaim your desires as if they have already materialized. Next, let's explore how to choose what you want to manifest. It's crucial to select things that deeply resonate with you and genuinely ignite your desires. This is because when manifesting something, you must align yourself with that desired outcome. In other words, you should feel good about it and genuinely believe it's attainable. Take some time to contemplate your true desires, whether it's a new car, a fulfilling relationship, or improved health. Once you've identified them, express them in a clear and specific manner. For instance, instead of writing, "I want a new car," try something like, "I desire a brand new red convertible Mustang with leather seats and a sunroof." The more specific, the better, as it paints a clear picture in your mind, vital for the subsequent step. Now, Allocate 1 minute and 30 seconds to focus on each of the 3 desires. Visualization doesn't require the entire duration. Instead, concentrate on the feelings you will experience upon achieving those desires. Would it make you happy, excited, fulfilled? Whatever emotions arise, amplify them within your mind, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the experience. For instance, if one of your desires is a new job, visualize yourself sitting at your new desk, feeling fulfilled and excited about your work, while colleagues congratulate you on your success. During this process, it's crucial to embrace the emotions associated with the manifestations. The more intensely you feel these emotions, the more potent your manifestation becomes. Lastly, in the final step of the 3-into-3 manifestation technique, spend a moment taking a deep breath and releasing your desires to the universe. Trust that the universe has received your desires and will manifest them at the perfect time. But don't stop there. Throughout your day, strive to keep your desires at the forefront of your mind. When contemplating your desires, immerse yourself in the associated emotions, as though they have already become a reality. This practice fosters a positive state of mind and attracts further experiences aligned with your desires. For example, if one of your desires is improved health, envision yourself feeling energized and vibrant, relishing nutritious meals, or engaging in invigorating runs. By maintaining this positive state of mind, you enhance the likelihood of attracting experiences that align with your desires. Robin sets aside 5 minutes each day to practice the manifestation technique. He believes that by aligning his thoughts and emotions with his desires, he can attract the life he truly wants. During the first step, Robin identifies 3 specific manifestations: a promotion at work, a supportive and loving partner, and a healthy work-life balance. He writes them down and repeats them out loud, feeling a surge of excitement and determination with each proclamation. Next, Robin delves into the process of choosing what he wants to manifest. He realizes that these desires resonate deeply with him, as they align with his core values and aspirations. He envisions the joy and fulfillment these manifestations would bring, and he writes down clear and specific descriptions for each one. For the promotion, Robin visualizes himself confidently leading a team, making impactful decisions, and receiving recognition for his contributions. In terms of finding a partner, he envisions a loving and supportive relationship filled with trust, understanding, and shared dreams. Lastly, for work-life balance, Robin imagines himself calmly managing his workload, setting boundaries, and having quality time for personal interests and relationships. As Robin enters the visualization phase, he dedicates 1 minute and 30 seconds to each desire. He closes his eyes, takes deep breaths, and imagines himself experiencing the emotions associated with his manifestations. For the promotion, he visualizes the thrill of accomplishing challenging tasks, feeling proud of his achievements, and receiving praise from his colleagues. When focusing on finding a partner, he allows himself to feel the warmth of love, the joy of shared moments, and the sense of security that a loving relationship brings. Lastly, for work-life balance, Robin envisions himself feeling calm, rejuvenated, and fulfilled as he maintains a harmonious equilibrium between his professional and personal life. As Robin completes the manifestation technique, he takes a final deep breath, letting go of any attachment to the outcomes. He trusts that the universe has heard his desires and will bring them into fruition at the perfect time. Throughout his day, Robin consciously keeps his desires in mind. When faced with work-related challenges, he recalls the emotions associated with his promotion and remains motivated to excel. In his interactions with others, he cultivates a loving and supportive attitude, knowing that it attracts the right partner into his life. Additionally, he prioritizes self-care and allocates time for his hobbies and relationships, honoring his commitment to achieving work-life balance. Over time, Robin starts to notice subtle shifts in his thoughts, emotions, and experiences. He receives recognition for his contributions at work, leading to a well-deserved promotion. In his personal life, he meets someone who embodies the qualities he sought in a partner, and they embark on a loving and supportive relationship. Furthermore, Robin manages to strike a healthy work-life balance, allowing him to enjoy both professional success and personal fulfillment. There you have it, the 3-into-3 manifestation technique. In just 3 minutes a day, you can align your subconscious mind with your conscious desires, inviting increased abundance and happiness into your life.